Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download Blinkist books. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To download books on Blinkist app for offline reading or listening, what you need to do is head over and then open up your Blinkist app. Now once you're inside here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now in order to download the book, what you need to do is head over and then browse through the given list for you and then simply select a book that you want. Let me just tap on this, and then once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on the option that says read right here. You'll be getting a read option right here. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside the summary, on the top right corner of the screen you'll be getting the three dot icon. Simply tap on that, and on tapping that you'll be getting an option that says download right here. Simply tap on that, and now in order to use it offline, what you need to do is head over back to your home screen, and then here you'll be getting my library option on the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on that, and the downloaded item will be saved in downloads. All you gotta do to view it is simply tap on it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.